said, my name is Teacher Ryan. I'm going to be your maths and science teacher for this year. Right, I'm going to jump into rules for next year, or this year, well, online. So there's lots and lots of rules for online classes. When you are in my class, they are simple, easy rules to follow. Pay attention at all times. Must always pay attention. Who can tell me why should you always pay attention?
Because if I don't pay attention, I don't know what you are talking about.
Yeah, pretty much. If you're not paying attention, you're not going to learn. Simple as. You pay attention, you learn. Camera must always be on. Why must your camera always be on?
Our camera always be on because teacher need to see what students do.
Yeah, see what the students are doing. Good job. Well done. No using the chat in classroom. You can use it, but only to talk to me. Do not talk to anyone else. Answer as much as possible. Emma, why do you think we need to answer as much as possible?
I think you must answer as much as possible because it shows that you pay attention and listen to the teacher.
Yep, good job. Pay attention, listen to the teacher. It also means that you are trying, okay? Trying. Now, you must use your correct name. Like, I do not know who you are. You don't know who I am. If you come in here and you have a name which is not your actual name, I'm not going to know who you are. Do your homework. Is doing your homework important? Louis, why is doing your homework important?
Because learn what we learn in class.
Yeah, you learn it again. Okay, you learn what you learn again in class. Contribute. Who understands what this word contribute means? What about you, Teddy? Teddy Bear, hello.
I think contribute means to concentrate what the teacher is talking or teaching about.
Good guess, but no. Contribute means to take part, okay? So if we are in class and I say, right, everybody, I want you to circle the correct answer. I don't want you to just sit there and do nothing. I want you to take the correct answer. If I say, does anybody have a question? I want everybody to ask a question. More questions, the better, okay? Especially for science. Now, if you do not tell me you do not understand something, how do I know? I can't see inside your brain. I can't look at your face and go, he doesn't know what I'm talking about, or she has no idea what I'm talking about. You have to tell me. The only way you're going to do that is by asking questions. But what I want you all to understand is, in my classroom, ask as many questions as you want. Anything at all. You do not understand something, hand up. You understand it really well, hand up. Does anybody have any questions about these rules? Easy to understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I hope so. I'm going to check them again tomorrow. Right, now, very simple. We're going to move on to weather and patterns, okay? Now, I know that you guys were studying this last year. Who can remember something about the Unit 7, weather and patterns? Cindy, what's something that you learned last year?
Last year, I learned to how I can measure the wind, from and the temperature.
That's fine. And Eddie, what did you learn?
I learned that rain days are measured in millimeters and sometimes an inch.
Yeah, good job. Noob, what about you? What do you remember? Okay, so here we have some weather measuring devices. Emma, can you tell me what this device is? Top left.
This is the rain gauge.
Cool, thank you. Susie, what does a rain gauge do?
The rain gauge measures the amount of rain.
Yeah, very good. Good job. Top right, what's this called? Cool. Hannah, what's this called?
I don't know.
Anyone read this? Look really
No.
close. Okay, it's called an anemometer. Anemometer.
I can measure the wind.
Wind. What about the wind?
Strong or not strong.
Exactly. So there we go. So you did know. So it measures how fast the wind goes and how fast the wind is. Suri, what about this? What's this called?
This is called wind vane.
The wind vane. Yeah, okay, good job. And Mickey, what does a wind vane do?
I think that it shows the wind go what way.
The direction of the wind. Good job. Tweety, what about this last one? What does this do? Mia, hello.
That is called thermometer.
And what does the thermometer do?
It measures the weather.
Yeah, the degrees of the weather. Okay. Okay, so here are some simple weather measuring instruments. Okay. Now, how does knowing about what happened with the weather help us understand the weather? Think about this. We've got wind vanes and anemometers and thermometers and rain gauges. Give us information about the weather that has happened or at that time. How does that help us in the future with the weather? So how do you think knowing what the weather was like can help us in the future?
We can predict it.
Yeah, we can predict it. Exactly. So, Kang, think about the weather in winter. In winter, is it always cold or is it hot or is it windy? What's the weather like in winter?
Cold.
Cold. And is it the same every year?
Yeah, maybe yes.
Yeah. Hacker, what about in summer? What's the weather like in summer?
Hot.
It's hot. And is it hot every year?
Every summer.
Exactly, right? So think about it like this. Think about weather happens again and again and again and again. It happens in a pattern, okay? So in this sense, knowing what the weather was like can help us tell us what the weather is going to be like. It works in a pattern. These types of machines help us see that, you know, when it comes to spring, it gets warm, in summer it's very hot, in fall it's windy, and in winter it's snowy. What are ways that you predict weather? So Lei Kang, when you look outside your window and you see black clouds.
When I see black clouds, this means it will rain.
It's going to rain, right? So that helps you predict the weather. Caroline, when you're
I predict the weather by look out.
looking outside, right?
Yeah.
Ming, when you watch the news and you see the weather forecast, and the weather forecast you can see is like, well, it's going to be really, really sunny. What can you do about what will you do about this weather?
I will go play.
Yeah, exactly. You can go play, right? Ming Ha, what will you do when you know it's wintertime? When you know what time of year it is?
I play outside.
Okay, but do you wear shorts or do you wear trousers?
I wear trousers
Why?
because it's cold, and if you wear
Shorts, you'll be colder again, right?
shorts, yeah.
Exactly. So that's it. So these are ways that you guys predict the weather. Now, so these are ways that you predict the weather. That's how you do it. Some people use machines, but we can look outside and we can use what we know. So very quick question. So Steve, when you look at this picture, what do you think the weather? What do you think the weather will be like?
The weather, raining and storm.
Yeah, cool. Rainy and stormy. Good job. Thank you. Caroline, what do you think about the weather here?
I think it's cloudy.
Cloudy, right? Cool. And Teddy Bear, what do you think about this one? Bottom left.
I think the bottom left is a very cold and snowy day.
Yeah, cool. Good job. And Tweety, what do you think about this dog here? What do you think the weather's like?
I think the weather is windy.
Yeah, exactly. So we can tell lots and lots by just looking at simple pictures of the weather. So what I've done is I've got some questions from stuff you've learned before to see how good your memory is. So what I'll do is I'll show you a question. And all of you, what I want you to do is circle the correct answer. Which tool measures wind direction? Circle the correct answer and go. Everyone, circle the correct answer. Go, let's go quick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, okay, good job. Thank you so much. Okay, cool. Yes, this measures the wind direction. Okay, so a wind vane measures the wind direction. You have north, south, east, and west, and you can tell which way the wind is coming. Again, now, Which weather instrument is used to predict the air temperature? Go. Everyone go. Circle the correct answer. Go, 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 go. Very good. Good stuff. Yes. Thank you. Thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the air. Okay. So again, temperature in Mainville has been 0 degrees for the week. Precipitation is expected soon. What type of weather is most likely to happen in Mainville? Circle the correct answer. Go. You can tell me why. Why is it snow and sleet? Hannah.
I think it will be snow and sleet because the temperature in Mainville has been 0 degrees Celsius for
Yeah.
a week.
Yeah, perfect. Good job. It's been 0 degrees Celsius. What does 0 degrees mean for water? Mickey, what will water do at 0 degrees?
Water will freeze.
Yeah, water will freeze, okay? Now, when water falls from the sky and it's frozen, what does it fall as? What's that called? So when water falls from the sky, but the water is frozen, what's that called?
Me, a snowflake.
Yeah, it's snow. Good job, Kwame. It's snow, right? Falls as snow. So if you can see it's been 0 degrees all week, you can guess that when it rains, it's going to rain as snow. Okay. Okay, again, and everyone circle the correct answer. Go. Okay, so careful there now. So that was, it refers to the temperature is 50 degrees. Okay, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. It doesn't refer to the amount of rain, okay? If you ever see this, degrees Fahrenheit, always in temperature. Okay, and which conclusion can be made? Which conclusion is the correct conclusion? Come on, everybody, let's go. Come on, quick. Again, I only want you to draw once, not many times. The answer is September has the warmest. Okay, you can see here, September is 70 degrees, higher than 65. December is pretty cold, but February is actually colder. Okay, right now, again, this time, just want you to circle one time, not many times. Thank you so much. Let's go. Okay, yeah, good job. So which month has the fewest sunny days? The answer is very easy. It is winter. Okay, good stuff. I'm going to move on to something a little else. Okay, so I want to go through some vocabulary before we finish up for the day. What does the word predict mean?
The answer is number 3.
Yeah.
Guess what will happen in the future?
Good job, Hannah. Well done. Okay, severe. What does severe mean? So, Cindy, what do you think severe means? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Quick hang.
Number 1.
Yes, number 1. Good job. Severe means really bad or dangerous. Weather. What does weather mean? Kiwi.
I think it is 4.
Oh. Yeah, it's number 4. Good job. Well done. Okay. What about climate? Climate mean the weather in area for a long time. How hot something is, how much you need to climb to get to the top, or Mr. Ryan.
The weather in an area for a long time, number 1.
Yes, good job. Last one. Precipitation. What is precipitation? Noob.
I think I 3.
Number 3. Water that falls from the sky. Yes, good job. Okay. Right, everybody. We'll move on to the idea of severe weather, like severe weather. Dangerous weather. You all know dangerous weather, things like tornadoes and hurricanes. For your homework, I want you to choose one of them. I want you to write about it. How does it happen? Where does it happen? What happens when the weather is gone? So choose one type of severe weather and write about it, okay? And write about it. I'll send you a Google form to fill in. So fill in your answers on the Google form. I'll get your answers and we can talk about them tomorrow. Does anybody have any questions about your homework? No? Okay, well, everyone, nice to meet you today. See you again tomorrow. Have a good day. Get your homework done. Do your homework, please, and thank you.